Japan's scientists have found valuable specimens brought from Ryugu Astro. These scientists had been waiting for this moment for the past 6 years. Now scientists have become successful in this. Scientists hope that with the help of these samples, they will be able to get closer to solving the unresolved mysteries of the universe. Along with this, they will also get information about the construction of the Earth. Let me tell you that in December 2014, 6 years ago, Japan launched the spacecraft Hayabusa 2 to bring samples from asteroid Ryugu. It landed on this asteroid Ryugu in September 2018 after covering a distance of 300 million kilometers 3 years after its launch. This asteroid is also known as 162,173 Ju-3. Japan named its campaign on the falcon bird, which is called Hayabusa in the Japanese language. This asteroid was first detected in May 1999. It is about 1 kilometer wide. In September 2015, it was named by the Minor Planet Center and renamed Ryugu. It means Dragon Palace. This asteroid completes sun cycle in 16 months. The vehicle collected specimens from Ryugu and returned back to Earth. Some time ago the capsule that came out of this vehicle fell into the desert of Australia. It contained precious specimens brought from Ryugu. When this capsule entered the Earth's atmosphere, it became a fireball. After this the capsule successfully came to Earth. There was a container in this capsule. There was already a team of scientists from this desert of Australia. Scientists at Japan Space Exploration Agency, Japan's space agency, were surprised to see the samples in the container when they opened it. This container contained dust brought from Ryugu as a sample. Encouraged by these samples, Japan's space agency scientist Hirotaka Sawada said that he was quite surprised to see these samples for the first time. These samples were more than he thought and he is quite happy to see them. According to them, it was brought from only one asteroid. The scientists of the space agency were so happy to see these specimens that they jogged. Scientists say that they will be able to sort out the origin of the Earth from these samples as well as the clues of life. However, the scientists have not told how much the samples inside the container were on the Earth. Professor Seiichiro Watanabe of the University of Nagoya says that these are much larger specimens that also contain some organic matter. According to him, this would also help in understanding how such substances evolved. Much can be learned about these from these samples. NASA will conduct research on half the samples brought from Ryugu asteroid. Let me tell you that even after this successful mission, the work of Hayabusa 2 is not finished yet. Now Hayabusa 2 has moved towards its second story. It is yet to collect samples from 2 more asteroids in a similar way. Hayabusa 2 is equivalent in size to a fridge with solar panels. After reaching close to the planet, the spacecraft orbited it for some time by staying 20 kilometers above the asteroid and prepared its surface map before landing there. The samples were then blasted into a crater of the asteroid through a small lander musket.